This car is the 2014 Nissan Rogue and the four-wheel drive. Okay, this is a differential gear fluid change. All right, the plug, this is drain plug, that's a fuel plug. Okay, use the hex 10. All right, make sure you crack loose on both first. All right, once you open up the drain plug, then open up the fuel plug first, then the drain plug, and you will see the oil came out not by much. It's a little bit less than 3/4 of quart. Use the 80 W90 gear oil. Okay, the oil might look kind of clean, but see the catch? That's from the drain plug, the magnet. That's how many this kind of metal should come out of the gear. All right, so like every 60-70,000 miles is a good time to replace that, quick and easy. All right, it's only costs less than a quart. All right, then this is drain plug. Once drain it, fill it, I pump it in with this. All right, less than 3/4. It's overflow. Once it's overflow, you put the fuel plug on and just tighten it. That's it. Okay. All right, just crack back a little bit. And four-wheel drive. So this is a real differential. Now we're gonna do the fun one later. All right, that's it. Simple as that. Thank you for watching.